National animal and bird of El Salvador is Turquoise-browed Motmot, locally known as Torogoz. The Torogoz is a colorful bird with vibrant green, turquoise, and orange plumage and a long tail with racket-shaped tips. It is found in forest edges and open woodlands across El Salvador and other parts of Central America. This bird is known for its strong pair bonds and is often seen in mating pairs. The Torogoz is highly symbolic in Salvadoran culture, representing family, unity, and freedom. It is protected by law, and harming or capturing it is strictly prohibited in El Salvador. The Torogoz swings its tail like a pendulum when perched, a unique behavior believed to be a form of communication or camouflage.